welcome to another video. Today we are going to be unboxing micro BJDs. We have two different types that we're opening today. Both are from the brand Beemai. On the left we have Yunlai Food Shop Series 2. And on the right we have the Liroro Summer Island Series 1. Starting off, we're opening the Summer Island. We got one box from this set, just as like a taster to see if I like them, and that cost $25 even, plus shipping to America, which I think was only about $5, so it wasn't too bad. First thing I noticed right off the bat, there's a lot in the box. There's the headpiece, the shoes, the dress, the socks, the assortment of different hands. I love the little collector card because it's like a paper doll. You can stick her clothes onto the collector card itself. I love Beemai's micro BJDs a lot. I have a ton of them, and this one is absolutely one of my new favorites. She is just so adorable, and the quality's great, articulation's great, exactly what I would expect from Beemai. Now, for our second round of dolls, we have the Yunlai Food Shop Series 2, and I actually already own the first two dolls from the first series, but they are currently packed in a box. So for these dolls, I ordered a set of 3, which came in just under $60, plus shipping to America. Right off the bat, as soon as I opened these, I had a flashback to when I got the first dolls from Series 1, and I just had a blinding memory of how hard it was to get their dresses to fit properly. And that was a theme that certainly did carry over into these dolls, because unlike the single strip of Velcro that has it's sort of free-floating on the Summer Island dolls, these dolls' clothes have the Velcro like inset, so it's hidden under all the trim and the fabric, but that makes it very thick, and getting it to like lie flat and fit properly is very tricky on such a little body. So this one was definitely my favorite of the three. Pink. I love Pink so much. She's so cute. Look at her little flower hair and her Kirsten. They're not Kirsten buns, but they remind me of Kirsten, the American Girl doll. But she is just precious. Now, if I'm doing a direct comparison, there are a few differences, obviously. Size, like feet here. This one is taller, has longer legs. That doesn't really matter, but size is the difference. Socks. She came with socks. She did not, that's fine. Her shoes are sort of plain. Hers have a little Mary Jane strap. Great. I like both of their dresses equally. Construction-wise, though, this sort of flat, elastic strip here that doesn't have any backing is so much more successful on a small scale than like trying to put 8,000 trims on a piece of Velcro and with no give, by the way, and expecting it to sit flat on such a tiny figure. So for that reason, I like this construction better. It's similar to some of my other micro BJDs. Eyes, inset eyes, beautiful. However, on like cutesy smaller figures like this, I do tend to prefer the more cartoony painted face rather than inset eyes. I don't know why, it's just personal preference. But other than that, they are both adorable. She came with hands, she didn't. That's whatever, that's your preference. I don't normally change their hands, but I'm very pleased. Alright, and here they are. The final girls, dressed up to go on my bookshelf. Also, I do have to point out, these are the same shirt, same ribbon, same everything, unless I'm like colorblind or something. They are pretty much the same, which I feel is kind of like lazy. I don't know, what's your opinion on that? Because she has a new shirt, but these two, maybe I have to get more in different colors to see if they all share shirts. In closing, my recommendation would be for price. You want the Food Shop Girls, but if you want extra goodies and better quality clothing, I would definitely recommend Summer Island. Thank you, everyone, so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day, night, whatever time it is for you. Subscribe. Thanks.